You will not believe this. This is a brand new Ferrari 296 and we are going to strip it all down and install our EUROHAUS design body kits and exhaust. It is designed in-house with our designer. It took us 5 months to design and another 6 months to make the part. And here we are today, here, standing right next to me. Let me give you an example of how it will look like after it's finished. Okay, here's pictures. And take a look in our carbon fiber parts quality. Everything is made from pre-packed carbon fiber and our exhaust system is made from 3D. And also our EUROHAUS downpipe, decayed downpipe with the OPF option. This is also going in. So let's go to the power bit. We have the front section for the original bumper. This kit, the front part, you don't have to change the front bumper. So it can be sold separately if you don't want a full kit. So the front parts are here and fenders, pre-packed fenders, very light. You can lift with one finger, pre-packed carbon fiber. Listen to this sound. And next is the side skirt. So the side skirt, we will have to replace the original one, which is in plastic. We'll change to full carbon. I know you can see the quality from the camera, but listen to this. You know how hard it is. It's pre-packed. Then we have the rear wing. We have the wing, the big one. Flawless. Very, very good quality. It's flawless. You can see from the lights. No wave, not wavy, very straight. Here's the engine bonnet for the rear, which we already have an option for this car already. The rear is already glass, but we're gonna change it to more aggressive. It's also pre-packed, as you can see. And last with the diffuser. It looks huge, right? But actually it's very light. I think it is about 2 to 3 kilos pre-packed carbon fiber. The pattern of this kit is same as the Ferrari carbon, which is 1x1. I'm sure you this is going to be the craziest project ever you will ever see in this year.